That have emerged out of the country's financial capital. Two videos have surfaced of two youth being stripped and then thrashed by a gang of men inside a Mumbai local train and on a railway platform. Now it seems the young men were allegedly involved in a case of mobile theft. Kicks and blows rain on them as they are accused of mobile theft as they deny the accusation. Later the young men are thrashed on the railway platform as well and even whipped. Mumbai Railway announcements can be heard in the background. The GRP remains unaware of the incident. Okay, these are exclusive images on your television screens. Munish Pandey is on the phone line with us and Mayuresh is also live with us. First to you, Mayuresh, if you could give us a sense of how long did this play out for? What are the details that we have of this video at the moment? Were there other, in fact, bystanding, just passers-by or witnesses as well to this entire incident?
See, till the time when this video we got, GRP was not even aware of this video. But my colleague Munish, when he contacted GRP said that we have taken the cognizance of this video and now they have started investigating that what exactly happened on that day. Because from this video, we cannot say that what exactly happened. Only visuals, we can say by looking at the visuals that these two boys were stripped and they were thrashed by the commuters. But who were they? Why they were thrashed? Apparently, what we have been given to understand is that there was a mobile theft happened in that particular compartment, and these two boys were under the suspect, and that's why they were stripped and thrashed. But till now, GRP doesn't have any clue. But right now they have taken the cognizance and they are examining this footage. And soon we are expecting that GRP will come up with the details that what exactly happened when this video was shot and where exactly this video shot and who are the people who are thrashing these two boys and were there exactly any mobile theft happened or not.
Let's get into word from Munish. Munish, अगर आपकी जो GRP से बात हुई है, आपने ये वीडियो को आगे बढ़ाया था GRP के पास में, उनका अभी तक रिस्पांस क्या आया है? क्योंकि ये ऐसा नहीं है कि रात के अंधेरे में कुछ इस तरीके से पिटाई की जा रही है। प्लेटफॉर्म में कुछ लोग भी नजर आ रहे हैं जो खड़े हैं, जबकि ये लाल टी शर्ट पहना हुआ इंसान इतनी बेरहमी से इन दोनों को पीट रहा है।
जब सोमवार को ये वीडियो हमारे पास आया था, उसके बाद हमने GRP को फॉरवर्ड किया हुआ है, हमने वो जांच करें। जिसके बाद में GRP ने इस मामले में कॉग्निजेंस लिया। अभी तक की शुरुआती जांच में उन्हें ये जानकारी मिली हुई है कि ये वीडियो सेंट्रल लाइन का है, यानी कि मुंबई से लेकर थाने के बीच में कहीं पर ये वीडियो शूट किया गया था, लोकल ट्रेन के अंदर और प्लेटफॉर्म पर। सेंट्रल लाइन कंफर्म हुआ है, वक्त 5:30 बजे का है, यानी कि 5:30 बजे के वक्त ये पूरा का पूरा वाकया हुआ है। जो दो लड़के हैं उनके ऊपर जो आसपास के लोग हैं वो इस तरह का आरोप लगा रहे हैं कि इन्होंने मोबाइल की चोरी की है और मोबाइल चोरी करने के बाद में इनको वहां पर नेकेड किया गया और उसके बाद इन्हें थ्रेटन किया गया कि अगर इन्होंने मोबाइल चोरी की जो वारदात है उससे अगर रोका नहीं या फिर उसके किए की उनको सजा जो मिल रही है तो उन्हें स्ट्रिप करके मारा जाएगा और उसके बाद में वो वीडियो को सर्कुलेट किया जाएगा। अगर इस वीडियो की बात करें तो मुंबई की जो सेंट्रल लाइन में कुछ इलाके हैं, यानी कि अगर खासतौर पर कहें तो कुर्ला और भाईखला का जो इलाका है वहाँ पर इस वीडियो को वहाँ के लोकलाइट्स को सर्कुलेट भी किया गया है, यानी कि इतना साफ नजर आता है कि ये जो मामला है सेंट्रल लाइन का है, लोकल ट्रेन के अंदर हुआ है, प्लेटफॉर्म पर हुआ है, उनको पीटा गया है और मोबाइल चोरी का ये वाकया लग रहा है। लेकिन GRP अभी तक उन शख्स तक नहीं पहुंच पाई है जिनको पीटा गया था या फिर जिन्होंने उनकी पिटाई की थी।
ओके, मयूरेश हमारे साथ बने रहिए, इनफैक्ट मुनीश बने रहिएगा। मयूरेश, what is the police saying off the record? Are they saying it will be very difficult to track down especially these two people, one in a blue t-shirt who can be seen beating up these two youth inside the railway compartment, and the other, of course, whose face is visible in a red and a black striped t-shirt, given the fact that Mumbai locals actually face so much of a volume on a day-to-day basis?
So GRP has activated their network and network of informers basically because as we all know that lakhs of people every day commute from that particular route. So it is very difficult to pinpoint the person at the moment, but GRP has activated their network of informers and they are trying to get all kind of information regarding this particular incident. As Munish said that they have got this crucial lead that this video was shot on the central line and such kind of incidents happen between the Baikala and Kurla. So right now GRP is working on that particular lead. Back to you.
ओके, मुनीश ये बताइएगा क्या ये दोनों लड़कों के बारे में कुछ पहचान मिल पाई है पुलिस रिकॉर्ड से? क्या कोई इनकी रिकॉर्ड्स में नाम दर्ज है? क्या ये नाबालिग नजर आते हैं? पुलिस का क्या कहना है?
पुलिस जीआरपी पुलिस के जो कमिश्नर है मधुकर पांडे, वो खुद इस मामले को मॉनिटर कर रहे हैं। उन्होंने जितने भी यूनिट्स हैं सेंट्रल लाइन के सबको एक्टिवेट किया हुआ है कि कोई भी लीड मिले। वो पिछले 2 साल के इस तरह को संभाल रहे हैं। जितने भी स्टेशन हैं सेंट्रल लाइन के, उनकी सीसीटीवी फुटेज को चेक किया जा रहा है, लेकिन जो सीसीटीवी फुटेज है वो सिर्फ 3 महीने तक ही रहते हैं। उसके पिछले महीने के जो सीसीटीवी फुटेज होते हैं उसको डिलीट कर दिया जाता है। तो अभी तक की जो हमारी जानकारी है, जो हमसे बात हुई है जीआरपी की, उनका ये कहना है कि अभी तक इस मामले में कोई लीड नहीं मिली है।
मतलब मुनीश, अभी तक ये भी नहीं पता कि ये वाकया हुआ कब था?
अपना सवाल फिर से दोहराएं आप।
अभी तक ये भी नहीं पता पुष्ट रूप से कि ये वाकया आखिर हुआ कब था?
जी बिल्कुल, ये वाकया कब हुआ था इस बारे में लीड नहीं मिल पाता है। और जो ट्रेन उसमें दिखाई दे रही है वह पुरानी ट्रेन, यानी कि मुंबई सेंट्रल लाइन से ज्यादा ट्रेनें होती हैं वो नई ट्रेन होती है। लेकिन ये जो वाकया हुआ है ट्रेन के डब्बे से नजर आ रहा है कि वो पुरानी ट्रेन है। तो इतना तो साफ हो रहा है कि सेंट्रल लाइन पर इस वीडियो को शॉट किया गया था, फिल्माया गया था, और कहीं ना कहीं ये वाकया हो सकता है कि पुराना 1 साल पहले ज्यादा पुरानी ट्रेनें चला करती थी। तो ये सब लीड्स हैं जिसको पुलिस जोड़ने की कोशिश कर रही है, लेकिन सबसे ज्यादा अभी भी वो रिलाई कर रही है अपने लोकल नेटवर्क्स पर, यानी कि खबरी यकीन कर रही है कि इस तरह के जो वाकये होते हैं उसमें इस तरह के शख्स होते हैं जो कि ड्रग्स लेते हैं, वो कहीं ना कहीं में जोड़ रहते हैं। वो इस तरह से पूछताछ कर रहे हैं कि अगर कोई लीड मिल जाए, लेकिन फिलहाल के तौर पर पुलिस अभी तक कोई लीड नहीं मिली है। तो उससे हमसे जानकारी ले रहा है कि आपको जो वीडियो कहाँ से है, वो नेटवर्क खंगालने की कोशिश करते हैं वीडियो कहाँ से बना और सर्कुलेट हुआ, लेकिन अभी तक कोई अहम लीड नहीं मिला उन्हें।
आप हमारे साथ बने रहिए। Munish and Mayuresh continue to track the story for us for the benefit of the viewers who are joining in fact us at this point in time. Now, this is a shocker of a visual playing out on your television screens. Now, there are a lot of things that are not yet known about these visuals, but what we do know initially is that this is a visual that was shot somewhere in the central line in Mumbai. Perhaps somewhere close to Baikala and Andheri. Now, in these visuals, you can see 2 men, one in a blue t-shirt inside a railway compartment, beating up 2, in fact, youths savagely who have been stripped off. And it doesn't stop there. In fact, this other man in a red t-shirt, red and black striped t-shirt, these 2 men who were stripped off, who were, in fact, made to go naked, they are tied to this pole on a platform, and this man whips them. This even as there can be seen, in fact, 2 at least bystanders in these visuals. But what we do not know at this point in time is when was this visual recorded? When did this incident play out in Mumbai? Because as Munish was informing us, Munish in fact had forwarded these visuals to the GRP chief, and they have now sort of started activating their networks, but they do not know when did this incident take place exactly, because the coach, as can be seen in the visual, seems to be an old coach, whereas most of the coaches now on the central line are the new updated ones. Mayuresh, if you could also give us a sense, are these visuals, in fact, is this a clip that has been doing round on WhatsApp through social media? What can you tell us about this?
Certainly, from Monday, as Munish said, these visuals were making round on the WhatsApp as well as in the social media, and from that moment only GRP got activated. But they were not confirming when this incident happened, where this incident happened, and if at all it was a case of mobile theft, then why did these people did not inform railway police about the incident and handed over these 2 guys instead of stripping them to railway police? So this is a big question which GRP is also working on, and we are waiting for the GRP's official confirmation that where and when exactly this video was shot, because as we can see in the visuals that the compartment of the train looks old. Nowadays we have a new trains or new compartment in the local train, so it is very difficult to tell that where exactly this video was shot and who are these people who are beating these youth, whether there was exactly any case of mobile theft, and if it is the case of mobile theft, then why did these people did not inform the railway authorities or the GRP instead of shooting that video on mobile camera?
Absolutely, these visuals are the worst of its kind, perhaps kangaroo court kind of a scenario playing out on that platform in Mumbai, where you can also see in the background, you can see people dressed in a white t-shirt, black trouser. There's another man in a white shirt and a black trouser. There are at least 3 to 4 men who are just standing by and watching this play out, this ugly scene play out on the Mumbai platforms. Shiv Arur, in fact, our news editor, also now joins us on the phone line. Shiv, we've seen kangaroo courts play out maybe across rural India in a lot of pockets, but this playing out in the financial capital in a platform where other people are standing too.
A really, disturbing video that India Today's reporters have gotten access to. It's been released by a railway activist, and it's been, shared with some of us, including some senior journalists who've been able to access it and put it out. But what it actually depicts is something that's terrifying. You're absolutely right, Smita. This isn't in some far-flung zone where an incident like this could, perhaps, be understood if not condoned. But the fact is, what you're seeing here is at a station in Mumbai where two mobile thieves have been stripped completely naked. That's why we've been forced to blur these images. Both of them, appear to be young men. And this is mob brutality. You've got 2 or 3 people beating them up, punching them, asking them to move their arms and belting them. You have this man in the red beating them up with a belt while you see people standing around them either watching, mute spectator, or participating in it by actually filming them on their mobile phones. Inside the train, when you look at the images inside the train, once the camera actually pans, you can see people sitting around and actually filming this entire scene with their mobile phones. It's totally shocking because the government railway police says they have no information about this particular incident. It appears to be happening at night time, so there appears to be no real deployment there. This is after the trains have finished functioning, and yet all you see is this open brutality, total fearlessness, because there appears to be no police around to actually have a look. But what about CCTV cameras? When did this actually happen? What is the precise location? Who are these people on it? Because this mobile video provides a perfect stamp on what the identity of the people are. So I think the GRP has no excuses but to furnish a concrete piece of testimony about what precisely they've taken, what action they've taken, are they following this up, have they registered a case, and isn't this something that's going to shock everybody who travels in a Mumbai train? This is vigilante justice of the worst, most disturbing kind.
Okay, Shiv, stay with us. I'm also joined by Ms. Abha Singh, who's a lawyer as well. Ms. Singh, I wonder if you're able to see these visuals that we have been playing out in India today. These are exclusive visuals and horrifying ones that speak volumes about, the kind of kangaroo court tendency that we see in a platform in Mumbai. How do you think the police should really go about it? Ms. Singh, are you there with us? Looks like we've lost that connection, but let me go back in fact to Munish. Munish, हमें ये बताइए कि इस वीडियो में ये लगभग कितने देर का वीडियो है और जो 2 लड़के जिनकी पिटाई की जा रही है, क्या वो कहीं भी अपनी इस बात को स्वीकार कर रहे हैं कि उन्होंने मोबाइल फोन को चुराया है?
जो हमने आवाज सुनी है उससे तो साफ नजर आ रहा है कि उन्होंने माफी मांग रहे हैं कि उनसे दोबारा नहीं होगा, लेकिन अब वो माफी सचमुच में गलती करने की मांग रहे हैं या इस डर से मांग रहे हैं कि उनकी पिटाई की जा रही है, इस बारे में अभी तक कुछ साफ नहीं हो पाया है। उसके अलावा अगर बात करें कि इन लड़कों के बारे में बात करें तो लड़कों के बारे में कोई जानकारी तो नहीं मिली है। पुलिस भी यही कह रही है कि वो पता कर रहे हैं। अब तो ये भी वो रिलाई करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि अगर इसे देखने के बाद में कोई जीआरपी को कांटेक्ट कर ले तो वो भी उनको बता दे, लेकिन फिलहाल इस बारे में कोई क्लैरिटी नहीं मिल पा रहा है कि इन लड़कों के बारे में क्या जानकारी है और सच में इन्होंने चुराया था कि नहीं चुराया था। लेकिन पिटाई जबरदस्त तरीके से की जा रही है उनकी। ये वीडियो कुल मिलाकर 3 से 4 मिनट का है, यानी कि पूरी की पूरी जो वाकया होगा वो ज्यादा होगा। पहले लोकल ट्रेन के अंदर पिटाई की जाती है, एक और वीडियो है जिसमें चलती हुई लोकल में भी पिटाई की जा रही है। उसके बाद उनको प्लेटफॉर्म पर उतारा जाता है और उतारने के बाद में भी उनकी पिटाई की जाती है। तो वीडियो जो फिल्माया गया है वो 4 से 5 मिनट का है। 3 वीडियो है मिलाकर जो सीएमडी जीआरपी को दिए हुए हैं और उससे साफ नजर आ रहा है कि न सिर्फ ट्रेन के अंदर बल्कि प्लेटफॉर्म पर भी बेधड़क उन्हें पीटा गया। कोई भी शख्स वहाँ पर रोकने की कोशिश नहीं किया, वो सिर्फ तमाशा देखता रहा और तमाशबीन बनकर वापस चला गया।
बिल्कुल, people just stood there watching this entire ugly scene play out. First inside that Mumbai local compartment and then on the platform as well. But Mayuresh, can you tell us if the police is planning to circulate the photograph of this man, particularly in that red and black t-shirt, because his face is pretty visible in the CCTV, even though his other partner, the man in the blue t-shirt, might not actually be visible in the footage.
Certainly, one more crucial point which we need to talk because this video raises many questions over the security of common people. if 2 to 3 people can do this such kind of a thing, they can strip the person, 2 youths, and they can brought them to the platform also. But where are the CCTV cameras? There are no CCTV cameras in Mumbai local train. It's a prolonged project, but still it is yet to get implemented. When there are CCTV cameras on the platform, why didn't the CCTV cameras catch these images? And if at all, if these images got recorded, then what was the GRP doing that moment? So these are the serious questions which we can raise, or we are raising to GRP, because this is really shocking.
Right.
And 2 to 3 people are beating 2 youths, strip them in front of everyone, ask them to get down at the platform, and no one informs GRP, no one informs railway police. So this is really shocking, and it raises question over security of common people who daily travels in the local train.
Absolutely. This is such an ugly video, and this is horrifying at so many levels. Even if for a second we were to believe that these 2 youths did indulge in mobile theft, it does definitely raise the question that those other 2 men have a right to take the law in their own hands in such a manner and turn the Mumbai public platform into a kangaroo court. Many thanks, Mayuresh, as well as Munish and Shiv Arora, for having joined us with all the details and perspective.
And Delhi Police Commissioner B.S. Bassi is presently at the Ministry of Home Affairs. He is meeting Rajiv Maharshi, the Union Home Secretary. From what we've been told, the current